Hallo liebe Leute, wie geht es euch? My name is Deepak and welcome to the seventh lesson of German language A1 series. In last two lessons, we learned verbkonjugation and Satzbildung, which means sentence making and verb conjugation. But the topic is still not done yet because in today's lesson we are going to make sentences. Let's make the very first sentence with the verb called heißen. Now, heißen means to be called, and we use it to tell the name of a person or of a thing. Now, let's suppose if I want to say I am Deepak, in German I would say ich heiße Deepak. Again, why ich heiße? Because we have to remove n from the ending when we use any verb with ich. Second verb is wohnen. Ich wohne in Berlin. That means I live in Berlin. Kommen means to come. So if I want to say I am from India, I would say ich komme aus Indien, which is I come from India. So let's suppose I am working with a company called Amazon. I would say ich arbeite bei Amazon. For companies, we use bei and arbeiten means to work. If I talk about the languages that I speak, obviously I will say I speak Hindi and English. So I will say ich spreche English und Hindi. Let's suppose I am learning German language, as you all are learning German language. How do you say? Ich lerne Deutsch. Because lernen is to learn. Now let's suppose you like to play cricket or football, soccer. Ich spiele cricket. That means I play cricket. Ich spiele Fußball, which means I play football. So this is how you can make the sentences of your, you can tell your name, where do you live, where do you come from, where do you work, which languages do you speak, which language are you learning, or what are you learning, which sport do you play. Now, because you know how to make the sentences about yourself, I'm giving you a small homework in which you have to make the same sentences but about someone else. For example, ich heiße Deepak, which means I am called Deepak. If you're talking about your friend, er heißt Johannes. So you will be able to change the conjugation. So you will make sentences with heißen, wohnen, kommen, arbeiten, sprechen und lernen. With these verbs, you will make the sentences of a third person. That is your homework. And this is all for today. See you in the next class. Cheers.